On my first trade, I'm looking at the 5-minute chart at support area. So looking at the 1 minute, it's still going down. And then I time my entry on the 10-second chart. When the 1 minute chart makes a new low, which can be seen here, it's a new low, then I'll just wait for a pin bar or a bullish bar to enter with the target at the top of the moving averages. This is the first trade. So I'm trying to put an order here. It was triggered. And then set the target here. Now it's finished. This is the first trade. Now for the second trade, I'm going to look for a same thing. The 5-minute chart is on a support, waiting for the 1 minute to have a green bar, making new lows. And then if I see on the 10-second chart there's a green bar or pin bar, then it's a possible entry with a target price of the moving average. Let's see this one. So this one is creating a green bar, so I put a buy order here, buy stop. It was triggered. Target is up to the green bar, which it did. That's the second trade. And now for this one, this third trade is for a continuation trade. So basically it ran up already with big volume. So basically the sellers are being overwhelmed. And then on the 1-minute chart, it's creating a higher high, higher low. On the 5-minute chart is a higher high, higher low. So basically the two are in confluence in an uptrend. So now I'm waiting for the pullback on the 10-second chart. As long as there's a green bar and then goes over, that's an entry. So look at here. So basically I saw a green bar, then this one is the entry. So I put a buy stop. So when it goes over, it will be triggered. I'm waiting for it. It's already triggered. Triggered. Set a stop here. Going up. Went up straight. I put a stop loss here, but it was triggered immediately. Thus, I made $33 on that trade. So that's the whole trade for the day.